Let's keep doing little good deeds. Who knows which one will help us reach Jannah?
Hey Joe, what are you planning? You don't want to bat today?
You will be so happy, man. I'll make you out this ball itself.
We'll see.
Why can't I just make him out? Should I do a bouncy Yorker? No. He'll just hit it.
One second, I'll be back, okay?
Why can't I make him out?
Hi.
Hi.
Can I have a chance to ball?
What?
Can I have a chance to ball?
Hey, you're a girl. Girls can't play cricket. Go play indoor games.
What happened, Aina? Oh yeah, what happened? Come. You just told my friend that girls can't play cricket.
Yeah, so?
So here's the deal. If my friend can knock your friend in just one ball, you have to agree that girls are equal to boys.
Okay, fine. Just one ball, okay? Just one.
Aira. So you won the challenge, Joe. What do you have to say now?
Okay, so first of all, I want to say sorry. I'm wrong. Girls are equal to boys.